Welcome to your guide to the Portland 3 mesh chair. Inside your packaging you will find a seat, a backrest, one gas lift and cover, a 5-point base, a backrest cover, a pair of height adjusting arms, a set of 5 casters, assembly. Push the casters onto the wheelbase. Take a seat and put it on a secure raised platform. The box used for packaging is ideal. Put the arms in place and position them with the bolts provided. When all are secured, tighten fully. Put the gas lift cover over the gas stem and place that into the wheelbase. Take the seat unit and put that onto the top of the gas lift. Place the backrest cover over the chassis backstem aperture. Push the backstem through the chassis locator aperture. Make sure all bolts have been tightened enough to safely secure all the parts. Functions. Buttons on the side of the arms can be pushed in to release the height adjusting arms to your desired position. The most forward lever on the right releases and locks the gas height adjustment. The second lever releases and locks the seat and back tilt action. The third lever towards the back of the chassis can be pulled up to release the position of the backrest. Push down to lock. A handle on the left of the seat can be lifted to operate the seat slide mechanism. This provides a deeper or shorter seat depending on your build and preference. A central wheel under the seat adjusts the tilt action torsion. Tighten to make it harder to tilt, unscrew to make it easier. The backrest works on a ratchet. Drop it to the lowest position and you can raise it and hear it lock in position. A lumbar plate behind the mesh on the backrest will adjust for height. And that's it. Enjoy your Portland 3 mesh task chair.